Hi. So in this video, we are going to understand why industrial visits are important. The first, you will get a real world exposure. You will get idea on how exactly the factory, plant, company works, how the theoretical concepts are actually working in the industry, and you will get a confidence to have a hands-on experience on the projects, the people, and many more things. Point is practical learning. You will get a confidence on how exactly the practical things you will do. Let's consider you are software engineer. You know the programming, you know the coding, you know the multiple things. But you will understand in what type of application, what area, how, when, where, and you are going to do that work. So you will get a practical knowledge with respect to the all the engineering field. You will understand how exactly you have to work with the team, the safety measures, the size of machine, the size of production line, orders, dispatch, delivery, and many more processes. The important thing is new technologies. You will get ideas about what things are in market and how it is used, where it is used, like ML, AI, IoT, data integration, data analytics. A huge data is work in what manner, how it is useful in your daily life, where you are seeing that data, and many more things. The next important thing you will learn is interaction with the experts, where you will meet a lot of engineer, office staff, senior people, mentors, big personalities, entrepreneurs, managers, where they will you can have a talk to them. They will tell you their experience, what problems are there, what challenges they face, how they deliver the product, how they solve the problems, and many more things, how they identify the risk, how they work with the team, what are the possible issue, where they actually adjust, where they are not give up, and many more things. So you will have a great interaction with this type of leaders, and you will know how to work with the actual people in the field. The next important point is career guidance. You will get a lot of exposure on the career. You will understand what type of study I can do, then I can do this job. What career you can choose, then you are here. You will get a lot of ideas from the engineers, managers, the people around into that particular industry where you are visiting. So they will totally give you the entire roadmap of your career. They will refer you for the internship, job, some projects, and many more things. The next point where you will get most benefit is that you will get an internship and the project ideas. Now there is a high chance that the company wants to hire you. Company wants to hire you as an intern. You will get an internship of 1 month, 2 months, 6, 10, or many more. It's based on your requirement. Uh, what time or availability you have. Your college can provide that. Again, the lot of project ideas, because the huge project in the company has a multiple small projects, and using that only the entire system is built, or the product or entire complete projects are running in the market, or a factory or a plant. So you will get a lot of small projects for your college. You don't have to every time search a Google, take from the GitHub, copy this, that, copy junior seniors project. So there is no meaning at all. This industry visit provide you all of these ideas to work on the actual problems. The most benefit you can get is that team building and a soft skill. You will get that exposure by seeing them, how they're working, how they're talking, how to speak to senior, how to speak with the junior, how to speak with your teammate, where to sacrifice, where to understand, where to listen, where to become a good leader. Many more things you can learn after talking to them. You will improve your communication skills, coordination skills, presentation skills, and get that confidence. Because in my opinion, if I am doing something new in my life, I get highlighted by that one person. It can be one that Didi. you spot that one girl, or you spot that one boy or man or sir, where you feel inspirational. You will feel, wow, the dressing sense is nice. Wow, the way she or they speak, the way they show, it's amazed now. So you learn and you get to know the personalities, and you will improve a lot. And the last important benefit you will get is the resume building. So you can have a clarity on many more things. You will have a lot of curiosity and questions, and you will get answers from this industrial visit. Based on that, you can speak actually confidently to interview. You can mention all of this into your resume. You can confidently talk on this, what you did, where you went, how the process was. And you will get an actual real world experience into that one single visit, and you will feel completely the college is different, and the office or a factory or plant is entirely different. So it will build the confidence and the professionalism in yourself. So that's it for this video, and I hope you understood a lot of things. So that one industrial visit is very important. I feel you must travel around your area, understand the whatever the nearest industrial visits related companies are there. Just request them, request your professor. If you're a student, if you're not even student, you're working person, still you must. If you're working for so and so company, there are multiple company around, can't you visit once in life? And if you can't do this in working hours or the college time, then there are expo, the companies themselves are sitting on the table and they're asking you to come, please see us, this is what we who we are. So you just have to meet them there, get the contacts, get interaction with their team, meet them, and later approach for all of this industrial visits and big things. The people are always welcoming the students to understand this world. And definitely you have to follow some procedures. You have to mail, you have to involve your professor or staff or a team, you can involve your parents, sibling, just to be the that professional mode, and get a good knowledge. So I hope you should do the industrial visit, take the industrial visit very seriously. And if you want to know what a question and queries that you can ask during the industrial visit, and how you can successfully do any particular industrial visit around your area or any company, then watch this video. And I hope we have covered a lot of things, we have learned something new. uh, so bye.